Connect more with Cable Matters products. Improve or future-proof your network setup with the Cable Matters shielded Category 8 Ethernet cables with shielded metal connectors. Engineered to pass strict network testing. Each end features a shielded RJ45 connector for reliable and long-lasting performance. The cables are tested to provide 40 gigabits per second Category 8 performance and are backward compatible with existing networks. 25 and 40 gigabit networks have length limits. Consult our knowledge base for technical support or send us an email for more information.